Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to enable location access in the Maps.me app on your phone. This video will guide you through the process clearly. First, unlock your phone and locate the Maps.me app on your home screen. Next, press and hold the Maps.me app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Then, click on App Info in the menu. After that, look for the permission option and click on it. Then, find the location permission and select it. You will see several options for location access. Choose Allow Only while using the app. This ensures that Maps.me can track your location only when you are actively using the app, keeping your privacy protected. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.